Welcome to another Spreadsheeters video guide. You can find written instructions for these steps on the Spreadsheeters website. In this video, we'll see how to move Excel rows. As a spreadsheet application, the workspace in Excel is laid out in the form of rows and columns. When working with Excel, you may need to move a set of rows without disturbing the rest of the data. So there are three ways of doing this. In this example, I want to move only these rows. I want to move these three rows down. So the first way I can do this is to insert rows. So I select the area that I want to move down, right click and then say insert. Here I get asked these options whether I want to shift the cells right or down. So I don't want to insert an entire row. I just want to move these cells down. So I'll just say shift cells down and say OK. And the cells are shifted down and blank rows come in its place. And this happens without disturbing the rest of the data. So I'll press Ctrl Z to undo. Let's look at the other ways. The next way is to drag and drop. To do that, I select the data, move the pointer over the border and then drag it down to where I want it moved. And the rows are moved. Now Ctrl Z to undo it, and let's look at the third way, which is to cut and paste. So again, with the area selected, I press Ctrl X, or I can right click and say cut. I then place the cursor in the location where I want it moved to, and here I say Ctrl V, or I can right click and select paste from the context menu. So these are three ways in which you can move Excel rows. Please read the appended article for further guidance.